Let's get together, best friends forever. Let's go! We train hard to build our team, doing our best to chase our dreams. Every day we rely on each other. Our friendship is all that we need. We've had some fights along the way, but we make up, and it's okay. Getting through all the tough times together, that's what really makes us a team. When we play side by side, we're unbeatable. 100 teams couldn't beat us when we're on the ball. We're not afraid of what the future holds. We'll take on any challenge that may unfold. Stand up and fight for what you believe, and then there's nothing you can't achieve. Follow, follow, follow your dreams. Let's get together, best friends forever. Let's go! We can do it like we did before. Give it everything and a whole lot more. We pulled our socks up, we've really grown. When we're apart, we're never alone. Follow, follow, follow your dreams. Let's get together, best friends forever. Let's go! Calling everybody from far and wide, from the town to the city to the countryside, bringing together one and all with a burning passion to play football. Follow, follow, follow your dreams.